you gone. Should have sent a thank you note, you little hoe. Now I'ma wrap your coffin with a bow. Nikki said this is mad because you took the spot. But what word that bitch ran? Because I took the spot. Well, if you ain't shit and didn't get off the pot, got some niggas out of Brooklyn that'll off your top. I hear the mumbling, I hear the cackling, I got him scared, shook, panicking. Overseas, church, Vatican. You wanna stand still, mannequin. You wanna sleep on me overnight? I'm the motherfucking boss. Override. Now wanna pull up, vroom, overbite. Now my niggas get bucked over bites. Yo, it's giving Pink Friday. It's Pink Friday.
Tell me where you been. Where you been? Yeah, I'm trying to find you. Do I need to remind you? Yeah.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Octavia, aka Double O Styles, baby. So, I'm thinking about booking this photo shoot tomorrow, and I was iffy about it because I didn't know when my wig was coming through, but it came through on time. So I was like, let me do a wig review so I can see if this is going to be the wig that I'm wearing tomorrow for my photo shoot. And I just want y'all to see, like, just in case we might love it, we can get into the details, and I'm already have this video ready and prepared for y'all. And I'm gonna put my pictures at the end if I do the shoot, okay? I'm still thinking about it, but if I really like this wig and I like the outfit with the hair, then I'm booking it, okay? So let's get into it. Make sure if you are new to watching this video, make sure you press the subscribe button and make sure you press the like button if you want more of these videos, okay? Let's get into it. Okay, so we have this Bobbi Boss. I didn't do Bobbi Boss in a minute. What's up, Bobbi? I'm back with another wig from you. It is a Boss Lace first class hair, premium synthetic, and guess how we coming, baby? We coming with pink, okay? Pink vibes, because my outfit tomorrow is like a blackish and it got pink stuff in it. So we got a pink wig, and this is homegirl right here, and the colors are beautiful. Like, they have so many other colors, but I'm just like, I never had a pink wig, so why not do the pink wig? This is the color options that you could choose from. Okay, so this is our pink bob wig. So far I'm loving the colors. Like, I already knew what it was by the picture, and I just knew like this was going to be a beauty. This is going to be different for me, but it's definitely a beauty. So looking closely at it, it has like a few blonde pieces in there, I guess, to bring out more of the pink, but it's mostly pink, but it has like its blonde piece. So I don't know if y'all can see those little slight streaks in there, but those are like little blonde pieces to brighten up that pink. And as I'm combing through it, it feels pretty good. I think I'm still going to try to bring out the flat iron because we have little pieces that kind of want to fly around a little bit, like stick out a little bit. So we're going to bring that one, bring it down because it's a little too hype with the little static pieces. This is our parting, and I'm about to put this on right now. And I feel like my lips too dark. I should have had like a pink gloss instead of purple. I low-key want to pause this video and do pink gloss. Let me see how it's gonna look with my lips. We'll see, we'll see, we'll see. Do we have baby hairs in here? Looks like we do have some baby hairs. It's hard to tell because it's matching the what is this called? The lace. But it's right there sticking out in the front. Matter of fact, I'm gonna cut it first. This kind of remind me of Roman's Revenge on some Nicki-ish. Do they have combs? There's one comb in the back, and there's two combs in the front. Two combs in the front. Y'all, I'm low-key nervous about this. I just never tried pink, and I hope I look great. Let me think. Hold on. I don't like this lipstick with this, so I'm about to switch this lipstick because I feel like this lipstick need to be like a gloss with this hair. But how I feel about the wig, I really like this wig. It really reminds me of Nicki Minaj. Big Nicki Nick. And I like how the parting, I don't have to do anything to that parting. Like, that's good. That's all you need. You don't need to do nothing extra with that. But I can do my edges if I want to. Like, I could do a little swoopy swoop with the edges. Just do the part where people can see it. Like, this centerpiece. It needed. I'm changing this lipstick because I just can't fully get into this wig until I change the lipstick. Like, I just don't know if it, yeah, we gonna do that. Hold on. Okay, I kind of think the lips make it look better now. What y'all think? Let me pull out this flat iron. I feel like this one gonna grow on me though, because I'm not used to it. That's why I'm not used to this. I'm gonna try to do my little edge. Okay, because that's the only part that's gonna be showing. It's just that. Okay. Let me see, y'all. Let me see something first. And it's heat friendly.
I feel like Pink Friday. Is it my fault that all of your bangers are gone?
Yes, I'm a slight barb. Slightly. I'm not like on a level like crazy barb, but I know some verses. Get a little animated myself. You know what I mean? I need to try on my outfit because I just need to see the full thing. I need to see the full thing. I need to see my mood, how I'm gonna be feeling in it. I really love the color. Like, I just feel like slightly it's just me not being used to this color. Like, it's beautiful. It's a beautiful wig. But this thing gotta grow on me. It gotta grow on me because I'm just so new to this pink. Like, who would have thought? I mean, what you mean who would have thought? Because, girl, you wear color wigs, girl. This is what you do. Anywho, this Bobbi Boss. I didn't even get to tell y'all what the name of the wig, child. Where the card? The name, this is the style of this wig is called, let me lower this. The style of this wig is called MLF921 Kyla. Let me turn to the back because one of my other videos I forgot to turn in the back, and people was getting on my nerves with that attitude about me not turning around to the back so y'all can see the back. I don't need y'all attitude. So just say it nicely and I'll remember. Okay? Let me turn around so I can show y'all. This is the side. We're showing all the sides. This is the side. I love how it's not touching my neck. Y'all know I don't like it when it touches my neck. Let's turn to the back. What y'all think? I can't see. Does it look good back there? And this is the other side. Okay? Let me just show y'all what I'm gonna be possibly wearing for my shoot tomorrow. I want y'all to see, I want both of us to see if this is a good wig for the shoot tomorrow, you know? Let's be prepared and be ready for it and not just guess about it. Maybe it'll look good once I change the look up, you know what I'm saying? Because it looked good, but I'm not receiving the full 100% full of, oh, I'm feeling great, I feel sexy, I feel amazing. So let's just try it on. I'll be back. Okay, so this is my outfit for tomorrow. It is a blazer and these leggings that match, and it matched my hair. You see the pinks in there? It matches. I think it's growing on me. It's growing on me because I feel like I needed to change the lips, change the outfit. Like, of course I'm gonna look better than this for tomorrow for my shoot. But y'all see the overall justification of what I'm trying to say with the outfit. How it has that pink in there. The black is bringing out the pink. It's like a good balance. It's a good balance. I'm going to probably do like some layers of necklace or something. But I really like this together. On me, on Nicki Minaj, girl, I know she gonna slay it because she already been doing this. She not new to this. She true to this. I'm new to this. This color right here, I'm new. Okay? And I definitely plan on still trying a whole bunch of colors, y'all. It's so many colors I already been having in my cart. Because I'm just like, yeah, bring out the colors because I'm just trying to see something. I'm trying to be my creative self. You know what I'm saying? And that's just a part of who I am. Trying new hair colors, trying new clothes, all the good stuff that make you look good from head to toe. We giving Pink Friday, and it's really Friday. That's crazy. I might gotta wear this tonight because I'm supposed to be going out tonight. I might gotta wear this because it's Pink Friday. Hello. Y'all let me know in the comments how y'all feel about this wig. Make sure you press the follow and subscribe button. Make sure you put a like if you want to see more from your girl. Show love and follow me on social media, and I will see y'all later. Peace.